Hey guys, welcome to IT Army. In this video I'm going to show you how to get rid of that recovery partition or OEM partition that is occupying 10 to 15 gigs of hard drive space, and probably you don't need it because you might have upgraded to Windows 10. So most of the manufacturers initially they were providing recovery media, so in case if your operating system gets corrupted you can recover from those recovery DVDs. Then they started providing that software within the hard drive, and you have just to do a factory reset and you can reset from that hidden partition. In case if you don't need that partition, you can delete that partition. But if you go to the management console through GUI, there is no direct option to delete that. The only option available is you use some third-party applications or you do it from the command line. So in this particular video, I'm going to show you how to delete it from the command line. So let's get started. Okay, so now I can see that in my laptop. If I see that recovery partition, if I go to computer, right click and click on manage, and over here in the disk management I'm gonna see that I have this 15 gigs recovery partition. Now if I try to delete it by right clicking, there is no option available. The only thing I can do is delete it from the command prompt. So I need to open the command prompt, start cmd, right click and run as administrator. Now over here I need to run an application called as disk part. Now inside this disk part utility I need to select first of all the disk that has that partition. So cell disk 0. So this is the first disk, this is the only disk I have. Now list partition, and I can see the list of partitions. So I have this third partition, that is the OEM partition. So I can say cell par 3, that is select partition 3, and that partition is now selected. Now I need to delete that partition, so I can say del par and I enter. That says that you cannot delete it, you must because it is protected, so I must put override. So I can say delete partition, override, and enter. So you can see now that partition got deleted. You can see over here this is unallocated space. Now you can expand the previous partitions, or you can just create a new volume. I can right click, say simple volume, next, 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 and now I have this 15 gigs drive available. I can open it and store some applications or softwares, whatever I want. So hope this video was useful for you. If you have any questions or comments, please post in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe.